Okay, congratulations, guys. You finished your interview. You're done. You've saved the document. Nice job. You now just need to email it to me, and you're done with all your work for the year. So exciting, assuming you did your other modules. So I'm going to show you guys how to email this to me. You might need to watch this multiple times. And once again, all the information is in a step-by-step guide right here. I'm going to walk through it. So the first thing you need to do is open your email. If you don't know how to do that, you can look at the bottom of your screen for this. I know it's kind of cut off, but the little blue O symbol. If you don't have that, you can just type in the search bar Outlook, and it will pop up here, and you can just open it. Okay, so I'm opening up my email. Then step 2 says click new email. So I'm going to click new email. It's right here in the upper left corner. Okay, and then it pops up and it gives you this 2-line. So you're going to put my name. Okay, you can copy and paste it from your module in Google Classroom, or you can write it. So you're going to do Dara, D-A-R-A, .zack, Z-A-C-K, @sciencetech.org. It might pop up like that as well. You can hit enter and it will show up, or you can write it all out like this. Okay, so there's my email. You're going to send it to me. Now let's go back and look at our next step. It's StoryCorps interview is your subject, okay? So right here, I'm going to write StoryCorps interview. Perfect. And the next step is going to show us how to attach our interview. So I'm going to click Attach File. Okay, it's right here in the middle. And then I'm going to click Browse this PC. All right, so this is where you need to remember, where did I save my file? Did you save it to your H drive? Did you save it to the desktop? Maybe you forgot and it's still in downloads. So if you forgot to save it somewhere special, it's probably in downloads and you can find it in here. I don't know what you saved it as, so that's going to be tricky. Hopefully you changed the name and saved it to your desktop. If you remember from a few minutes ago, I saved mine as Maria, I think Hernandez, Gonzalez StoryCorps interview. So I'm clicking desktop over here, and now I'm going to go search through my desktop until I find it. Here it is. You can double click or you can click insert, and now it's attached to the email. The last thing you have to do is click send. Okay, and that's it. Now I want you to triple check. Do not close out of your email right away. I want you to triple check that it's sent, because a lot of you guys, sometimes your email's not working or something comes up and it just doesn't work out for you. So what you're going to do is you're going to go click Sent Items and make sure that it shows up in that folder. If it's in the Outbox folder, it didn't send. So it's super important we check that it's in the Sent Items section. So I'm going to go here. Over here, you'll see I have Inbox, Sent Items, Delete Items. So I'm going to click Sent Items. And you'll notice my very top one is the StoryCorps interview. It pops up right here. That tells me, yes, it's sent to Miss Zack. If you are not sure if it's sent to me, feel free to just send me a Teams. Hey, Miss, did you get my email? Or send me a message real quick. And that's all you have to do. Once I have your interview, that's it. Your mastery check, shocker, is to just email me your interview. Follow the steps above. You don't have to do anything else. This is our final project. Thank you for all your hard work in eSchool. I know eSchool is not our favorite, not my favorite either. And I can't wait to see you guys as 10th graders next year, hopefully in person at Cole. Okay, if you have questions, reach out. Otherwise, excellent job.